Now, we're going to learn how to update values inside a list. We already know that Python list can hold multiple items like fruits, names, or numbers, but the great thing is lists are mutable. That means after you create them, you can change individual items anytime you want. Let's first create a list with 4 fruit names. We type let's create a list named fruits equals within square brackets, within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry, and within double quotes mango. This gives us a list of 4 items in that exact order. Now let's say we want to change the second item in this list. That means we want to replace banana with blueberry. Let's do that. We type fruits, then within square brackets number 1 equals within double quotes blueberry. This line means go to index 1 in the list and assign a new value called blueberry. Remember, in Python, indexing starts from 0. So 0 is apple, 1 is banana, 2 is cherry, and 3 is mango. Now let's print the list and check the result. Let's type print, then within brackets the word fruits. Run the program and here's the output. Open square bracket apple, blueberry, cherry, mango, close square bracket. So banana is now replaced with blueberry, and that worked exactly as we expected. Let's update another item, the last one. We'll now change mango to kiwi, but this time using a negative index. We type fruits, then within square brackets -1 equals within double quotes kiwi. This tells Python go to the last item in the list and update it to kiwi. Now let's print it again. We type print within brackets fruits, run it, and the updated list is now apple, blueberry, cherry, kiwi. Perfect. Let's try one more update. This time for the first item, we'll change apple to grape. We type fruits within square brackets 0 equals within double quotes grape. Then we print the list again, type print within brackets fruits, and now the output is grape, blueberry, cherry, kiwi. Each item was updated just the way we told Python, based on the position number. Now here's something important. What if you try to access a position that doesn't exist? Let's say you type fruits within square brackets number 10. That will cause an index error because the list only has 4 items. So always be careful with index values.